Hello everyone, this is Katish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Physics Paper 1 Higher Tier from 2025. Question number 2 is on the topic of energy. A student determined the specific heat capacity of water. Figure 4 shows the apparatus used. So you have the power supply joule meter connected to the heater, which is inside a beaker of water with a thermometer and a balance as well. The joule meter measures energy transfer. Give one hazard to the investigation. That would be the hot water or the heater. Or you could also say the heater. Describe how the student could determine the specific heat capacity of water using the apparatus shown in figure 4. So if I look at the equation for specific heat capacity, in the equation sheet you'll find energy transfer equals the mass multiplied by the specific heat capacity multiplied by the temperature change. Now you can measure the energy using the joule meter. You can measure the mass using the balance. The temperature change can be measured using the thermometer. You will need the starting temperature. That's how you spell start. Very good. So how do you measure the temperature change? That would be the end temperature minus the starting temperature. You could weigh the mass of the water using the balance. First you'll have to measure the empty beaker, then add the water and measure them together and find the difference. So here's a model answer for this question. Measure the mass of the empty beaker on the balance. Fill the beaker with water and measure the total mass of beaker and water. Mass of water equals total mass minus mass of beaker. Turn power supply on, so heater increases the temperature of the water. Measure temperature change, increase with the thermometer. Use the joule meter to measure the energy transfer to the water. Calculate specific heat capacity using the equation E equals mc delta theta. One source of error in the experiment was energy loss to the surrounding. Suggest one change to the apparatus to reduce energy loss to the surrounding. You could say add a lid or insulate the beaker of water. The student's value for the specific heat capacity of water was 4,410. The actual value of the specific heat capacity was 4,200. Calculate the percentage difference between the student's value and the actual value. So 4,410 minus 4,200 is 210. So find the percentage difference. 210 divided by 4,200 times 10. That would give me 5%. That brings us to the end of question number 2, and I will see you in question number 3.